By the end of this video, you will know how to set up bill themes in Clio Manage. Start by opening Clio Manage. Once you are in the main workspace, move to the left sidebar and select Settings. This opens the area where your firm-level configuration options are stored. Under Clio Settings, click Billing. This takes you to the Billing Settings page where invoice-related options are grouped together. At the top of this section, select the Bill Themes tab. This is where you can manage the appearance and layout of your firm's bills. To create a new bill theme, click New Theme. If you want to adjust a theme that already exists, you can select an existing option instead, such as Default. Both paths lead into the same theme editor, but when you create a new one, you will first need to enter a name for the theme. Type the name you want to use, then continue into the editor. Inside the Bill Theme editor, use the menu on the left to move through each area of the bill layout. These sections include page setup, localization, watermark, header, invoice information, firm information, client information, table configuration, matter, statement of accounts, and footer. Each section controls a different part of how the final invoice will appear. As you go through these sections, adjust the available settings based on how you want your invoices to look. In page setup, you can work with overall page layout choices. In localization, you can review regional formatting. Watermark controls any background marking that appears on the bill. Header and footer affect the top and bottom areas of the invoice, while invoice information, firm information, and client information determine which details appear in those parts of the document. Continue through table configuration, matter, and statement of accounts to refine how billing details are displayed. The goal here is to move section by section and confirm that each part matches your preferred invoice format. Make sure you review each area carefully before moving on, since small display settings can affect the finished bill. While you make changes, review the invoice preview displayed below the theme controls. This preview updates to reflect the selections you are making, so you can compare the layout and content as you go. If something does not look right, return to the section that controls it and adjust the setting there. When you are ready to check the finished document more closely, click Preview as PDF. This opens a PDF version of the bill so you can see how the theme will look in its final exported format. Review that version, then return to Settings, Billing, and Bill Themes when you are finished. From there, your configured theme remains available and can be used for your firm's bills. Your bill theme is now configured in Clio Manage and ready to use for firm invoices.